Hello, all, and welcome to another video from Techcanvass with the topic Top Scrum Master Certifications. I'm Anusha, and I'm going to walk you through the different set of certifications for a Scrum Master and which one you should opt for depending upon your criteria. So, to start with, Scrum is an increasingly popular project management framework. It helps companies and organizations manage large projects, increase team accountability, and reduce cost. So, a Scrum Master is a trained professional who helps organize and scale teams of any size to utilize the Scrum methodology. Becoming a certified Scrum Master not only adds credibility, it also makes Scrum Masters more sought after and increase their earning potential. So, as you all know, Scrum is the new methodology which all the organizations are asking for. So, in this video, we are going to go through different certifications and see which one you can opt for. So, to start with, the first and the famous certification is from Scrum Alliance. It was founded in 2001 by the co creator of Scrum, Ken Schwarzweber. Scrum Alliance is the largest professional organization in the Agile community. They offer the Certified Scrum Master, which is CSM designation. So, you all must have read it in the job profiles, the roles and responsibilities that CSM preferred. So, this is the Certified Scrum Master we are referring to. So, we chose the CSM offered by Scrum Alliance as the best overall Scrum certification because it is widely recognized certification program for Scrum Masters. Scrum Alliance focuses its certification training on interaction with certified trainers and coaches, followed by a structured exam. Every CSM graduate of the Scrum Alliance must complete the CSM training program in order to take the certification exam. Now, Scrum Alliance offers both in person and live online training around the world. So, online courses span 2 days, last anywhere from 7 to 8.5 hours, and cost around $495 per person. There's option to take the class over 3 days at 4.5 hours a day. In-person training programs are 8 hours a day, and typically starts at $1,199 with a 10% discount for group of 3 or more. All courses fees include the cost of the exam, which can be taken at the end of each course. So, Scrum Alliance requires individuals to renew their CSM certification every 2 years. The fee for renewal is $100 only, and Scrum requires 20 Scrum education units, we call it EUs, for CSM's recertification. So, that's pretty much about the Scrum Alliance and how it works. As I said, this is going to be the world's largest professional organization which provides Scrum Master certification. All right, moving on to the other one. This is nothing but scrum.org. So basically, what happened in 2019, the Scrum co founder Ken Schwarzweber left Scrum Alliance and he founded scrum.org to provide training that he thought was more consistent with Scrum fundamentals. In the process, he created an alternative to the certified Scrum Master called the Professional Scrum Master, which is PSM. Now, we chose it as our runner up since it offers Scrum certification recognized second only to Scrum Alliance. So, the main difference between Scrum Alliance and Scrum.org is in how each approaches certification. While Scrum Alliance require individual to complete Scrum training before taking the certification exam, Scrum.org focuses on the exam itself. So the organization is less interested in the type of class or training Scrum Masters receive rather than the knowledge they develop. And Scrum.org offers three level of PSM certification, which is PSM1, PSM2, and PSM3. So, according to the course description, the PSM1 certification focuses on having a high level of Scrum knowledge, understanding of the Scrum guide, and how to apply Scrum within Scrum teams. The PSM2 certification focuses on having advanced Scrum knowledge, in depth Scrum experience, or having already taken a professional Scrum Master course. While the PSM third certification focuses on a deep understanding of the application of Scrum, Scrum practices, the Scrum value, and have the ability to apply Scrum in a variety of complex team and organizational situations. So, Scrum.org doesn't require individuals to have any training to take the PSM exam. Nevertheless, it does offer Scrum training course as well. So, guys, you do not have to go for any training before taking the exam if you're doing it from scrum.org. So, pricing for the PSM assessment is, for example, if you want to give PSM 1, it is $150 per person. It's going to be a 60-minute lengthy exam. While PSM 2, it's a $250 per person and it's 90-minute lengthy exam. While PSM 3 is a $500 per person and is a 150-minute lengthy exam. So you can opt for it as per your need and requirement. All right. So the third exam body which we consider is Scrum Inc., which is Scrum Incorporation. So in 2006, Scrum co-founder Jeff Sutherland started Scrum Incorporation to get back to teaching CSM courses. So Scrum Inc. also offers leadership workshops and other enterprise coaching and consulting services. We chose it as the best interactive class since it focuses on training certification with dynamic and interactive hands-on experience. So Scrum Inc. licensed Scrum Master training combines lectures with various games and exercises to give attendees the experience of the Scrum Master role firsthand. So class participants organize into Scrum teams and learn how to create and prioritize product backlog, manage burn down charts, and review real world case study across a variety of industries. So, guys, if you need the in hand experience of what exactly a Scrum Master role does, you should offer Scrum Inc. as a body for certification. There are no prerequisites for licensed Scrum Master training, and all levels of Scrum experience are welcome. Courses start at $1,995, which is approximately $2,000, including the exam fees, and take place online over 2 or 3 days. Students who successfully complete the course and pass the exam will earn their registered Scrum Master credential signed by Jeff Sutherland. So I am not sure if you guys understand, but these are the different Scrum bodies which provide you a Scrum certification. We do not say that we are a Scrum Master, certified Scrum Master. We say that we are a certified Scrum Master from either Scrum Alliance or Scrum.org or Scrum Inc. That's how we call ourselves. All right. Moving on to one of the most recognized certification from one of the most recognized institute, it's Project Management Institute, and they have Agile Certified Practitioner, which is ACP. So PMI offers an Agile Certified Practitioner certification in addition to providing Scrum Master certification. It also includes Kanban, extreme programming, lean, and test driven development and agile certification. So, PMI ACP certification is popular among Scrum Masters and employers since it covers several Agile and Scrum practices and principles. Rather than a simple set of training, PMI ACP certification has a prerequisites. They have few of them. So it has to be a high school diploma or bachelor's degree and 21 contact hours of training in agile practices. 12 months of general project experience within the last 5 years, a current project management professional, which is PMP, or program management professional, which is PGMP, certification will satisfy these requirements. You should also have 8 months of agile project experience within the last 3 years. So the PMI ACP certification exam has around 120 multiple choice questions and offers 3 hours to complete it. The exam can be done online as most of the PMI exams happen. The cost of PMI ACP certification is $435 for PMI members and $495 for non-members. PMI membership is $129 per year plus a one-time $10 of application fee. Additionally, PMI ACP certification holders must earn 4 professional development units, we call it PDUs. If you guys have given PMP or CAPM, you would know what is PDU, involving agile topics every year to renew the certification. And the renewal cost is $20 for PMI members and $50 for non-members. Moving on to the other certification, which is Scaled Agile. Now, Scaled Agile was created to provide Scaled Agile Framework, which is also known as SAFE certification. If you guys are going through any of the job interviews, there is written that if a person is SAFE certified, then the person is going to have an upper hand. So they say that SAFE preferred. So it's a framework intended to scale agile, lean, and DevOps practices for enterprises. SAFE Scrum Master certification SAFE Scrum Master certification can enhance a Scrum Master's qualification when looking for placement in an enterprise level organization. We chose Scaled Agile as best for SAFE Scrum Master certification because it is the gold standard for SAFE training and even developed the framework. So, Scaled Agile SAFE Scrum Master certification focuses on the fundamental of team level Scrum and how to build high performing Agile team to deliver the maximum business value at scale. Courses are available on time and it's on site or online. Pricing varies by the instructors and typically starts around $600 to $700, which includes the cost of the exam as well. Exams can be retaken if necessary. With each attempt, the costing is additional $50. So with every attempt you make, it's going to be $50 additional dollars to that. While there are no prerequisites for the certification, Scaled Agile recommends attendees have familiarity with Agile concepts and principles, an awareness of Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming, and working knowledge of software and hardware development processes. So, no prerequisites for the certification, but it's good if you are familiar with the Agile concepts and the principles around it. The last certification here is Discipline Agile Scrum Master, which is DASM certification. So, Discipline Agile certification is through PMI, and it's not a framework, but rather a toolkit that focuses on the decision you need to consider, the options available to you, and the trade offs associated with these options. This particular certification shows you how to effectively combine strategies from Scrum, Kanban, safe, and many other approaches in a tolerable and scalable manner. Organizations that adopt disciplined agile go to market sooner. They deliver value faster and make their customer happy. So again, DASM is something which the PMI is going to provide you as a certification, and you can opt for DASM any day. All right, this brings to the end of this video. For any questions or queries, you can reach out to us at info@techcanvas.com. You can also visit us at www.techcanvas.com. You can give us a call at +91 93255 66777.